Mom, I did.
Good job.
Huh?
Try those ones.
Let's go, Papa, too. There's a party. There's a party.
Happy December!
Happy December!
Christmas season is here. We have been so busy that, yeah, what did we do? Mimi's house for Thanksgiving.
Maybe my nail.
Yeah, can you show her? Show her your pretty nails. Wow. Christmas is coming up.
Mom, no, we do fish anymore.
Guess we'll have to do it next time. Maybe for one of our videos. Okay, should we make some Christmas ornaments? So I decided that we were going to make Christmas ornaments for our friends and family. Here, Cole, you can play with this Christmas tree. Hey, Clara, where's our Christmas tree? Ah, right there?
Yes.
So fun. Just fix this pretty. I guess we're getting started right now. First we need, keep it over the table, 1 cup of baking soda. Yeah, good job. You hold that. I'll do this part. Oh, it's okay. Making progress. Making progress. Just clean up that mess for us. Okay. Just leave it. Just leave it. Just leave it alone. Stop. Okay. Making snow angels is what you're doing. Clara, do you like Christmas?
Yes.
What have we done so far for Christmas?
That's just a bit.
We did get a Christmas tree. This is our first year that we got a Christmas tree out in the wild.
I got this. Hi, Rachel.
We bought a permit and chopped it down. Whoop, sorry. All right, now pour it in here. But yeah, so permits are so much cheaper. And here, ew, that's baking soda. Spit it out. Oh. Okay. Anyways, it was freezing cold. We hiked up to the mountain and I stayed in the car with the babies and we couldn't find a tree. But Justin came back with the most perfect tree I've ever seen. It was a fun memory that we made together. So we'll probably do it again.
Mom, I do it then.
Nope. So we have 1 cup of baking powder, baking soda, 1 cup of baking soda, and this,
What is it?
what is it? Cornstarch.
It's so dark.
Cornstarch. So we don't need a cup. Put it in here. We actually need half a cup. This is so much messier than I expected. Wait, let me try. Go ahead and take your hand out of there. Take your hand out. Take your hand out, please. Wait, take your hand out. Thank you. Baking soda in my eyes. Pat it.
Oh, the mess.
It is a mess, you're right. What do you think of this mess, Cole? This is 3/4 cups of water. Not for you! I read online that if you want to change the color of your Christmas ornaments, to add the color to the water before you add it in here. So that's what we're gonna do.
I have made it.
What is this called?
The mess.
Yeah, but we don't need to whisk it yet. There's no water in there. We are going to try to make this colorful. Do you want Christmas tree green or holly holiday red?
Red.
Red? Okay, so I will take the green. And can you do a couple of drops into our water?
Dup, dup.
That's probably way enough. Where's the whisk?
Red.
Why are we doing red? Now mix that red in there. This is gonna be a disaster. We should have done green. Ding, 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 ding. That looks great. Go and pull it out. What color is it?
Red.
Red. Is red a Christmas color?
Yes.
Mixing, mixing, mixing.
Mixing.
Let me help you. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey!
What are you?
Oh, okay.
Jingle bells.
Jingle bells.
Jingle all the way.
What about our new song? Deck the halls with boughs of holly. 'Tis the season to be jolly. La, 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 la. I think we got it all mixed. So we have 1 cup baking soda, half a cup cornstarch, and 3/4 cup water with some food coloring in it. And now I'm gonna put it on the stove at medium heat and consistently stir until it looks like mashed potatoes. It's not yummy. So let's go cook this thing.
Toto.
To the stove.
Ting, 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 ting. Okay. I'm showing. I don't show.
For you, my little slobber munchkin. Ta-da! This is what it looks like. Boop, boop, boop.
Mama, I don't like it.
Okay, it's very hot, so you need to be careful. Pat, 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 and play with it. All right, you roll that dough. Woo! Rolling and rolling.
I'm rolling.
Can I help you out with that?
Mm-hmm.
Thanks. Probably should have gone with green. This is pink.
I love pink.
You what?
I love pink.
What?
I love pink.
We like pink. Do you want to use the heart or the star?
Heart.
Let's make some heart Christmas ornaments right in the middle of the dough. How about we do a star right on top of the heart? 2-year-olds. Some of our stars. What do you think? Oh, what do you want to get for Christmas?
Brandy.
What kind of presents?
Okay, and blue.
Hear that, Santa? Green and blue presents.
And I know.
That's looking like a great snowman.
Thank you. Amazing hat.
What do you think of my snowman?
You have someone have hat.
Oh yes, my snowman also needs a hat. You are correct. That's a good snowman.
Thank you. He has a bump.
Let me daddy some.
Hi,
Hello.
Say hi.
Hello.
We're making Christmas ornaments.
They making Christmas.
Daddy's home. So we happened to make some Christmas ornaments yesterday. So I'll probably show you that.
Ta.
Ta-da, it's beautiful! So these are the snowmen we made yesterday.
Cute.
So cute. There's a little hole in the hat so we can hang them later. And now we're gonna paint them.
They're picking.
Here, I'll hold the snowman. Oh yes, you paint that. Oh, we got it on his face.
I do you guys hat.
Okay. Are you an artist?
I asked it.
You are an artist. Is Daddy an artist?
Yes.
Is Mommy an artist?
Nope. Mom, what about this one?
Paint his hat. It's looking really good. You're an artist.
Thank you. Mom, what's right?
No, let me do it.
It's already
But I'm better than you at this. Good job.
Better your fingers.
I know. It's okay. I'll use a wipey.
No, it's Papa.
Is Papa? Does Papa wear hats?
Nope.
Not very often.
I want to there. But we're about to run.
Oh, stop, stop.
Mama.
Can Mama try?
Yes. No red.
Oh, the red.
No blue. Red.
Wow, the red.
Red. No green.
Oh, the green.
Red.
Red again. You love red. Oh my. More red, okay. Yeah. So we'll let these dry. I say bye.
Bye.
See you next time.
Honey, honey, it's time to me.